Double trouble from the Stockx bubble. Let's do some Stockx saving steal videos. Surprise Stockx purchases, accidentally bought, forgot that I bought. So we're gonna do 2 Stockx unboxings. Double unboxing. Double Stockx unboxing. Surprise, accidental Shopaholic purchases, okay? These are not very luxury items. They're more everyday, what Stockx is known for, items. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing quick Stockx unboxings. A double trouble from the Stockx bubble. Surprise, forgotten Stockx unboxings, okay? So anyway, if that's something you're interested, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching, okay? Also, I just want to do a little quick intercut. I'm filming these out of order, so I might not have unboxed either of these 2 things either yet, so don't be surprised when I unbox these later in a type of video if I do. But also, I'm traveling again, so I want to try to post as much as I can, but I don't know how much I'm going to post, so I just want to give you a heads up. That's what's going on. And I love you, and thank you guys for all the support, and I am so happy. As you know, I've had some hate and love with Stockx. I've had some things that were great and then some things that were not so great. So when I got the not so great things and I return them or whatever, or I relist them on the site for someone else to buy, they give me a coupon. And you know I'm a sucker for a coupon, a sucker for a deal, steal of a deal. So they give me these coupons, but they expire 90 days. So I just put in a bunch of bids on random that I just thought I might want or whatever, or things that were around the price point of the thing to try to get it for free, even though after the shipping and taxes and, you know, all the fees, it's still going to be something no matter what. They weren't expensive gift cards, but I wanted to use them on 3 different things before they expire, which I think one of them already expired and the other one is soon to expire. The third one I used on one of these, and then the other thing I got, I forgot to put the coupon on it. So it just bought without the coupon. But I put these bids out and I forgot that I'd put them out, and I didn't even know I was getting these until they actually just came in the mail. Because they send you an email and stuff like that, but I get a lot of emails and sometimes I don't see them. So both of these were surprises. One was basically the price of the coupon, which was nice, but then the taxes and the fees and everything else made it more. No judgment. I wanted to try these out and they were $25, and the only thing that on StockX that I could find for $25, and the coupon was for $25. So no judgment on the owner of this brand / that person, but I don't know if it's bad to support, but I feel like at StockX it's different. It's not supporting the brand, it's supporting the person that's selling it. And I wanted to try them out, so sue me. And I do have a pair of these shoes already from before this person was, I don't know, such a public figure of, you know, controversy and all those things. So anyway, they are the sock shoes, which are so comfortable and fit so nicely, and they're like little shoe socks that I could wear maybe around the house or just, I don't know, when I go out or like work out stuff. Not that I work out that much. I used to work out a lot, but not that much anymore. Anyway, from Yeezy, okay? I really like them. I didn't know I was gonna like them. I don't know if you're supposed to put them actually inside another shoe. Like, I wonder if I could wear this inside a shoe for like protection and support, because I do need protection and support. And I have those like Dr. Scholl things that I bought in France, but I don't know how to cut them. Like, I don't know how to actually use that. So it's just like sitting here somewhere. I don't know where it is. Anyway, I like these, okay? And then the second thing I got, which was a surprise one that I completely forgot that I put the bid for and that I didn't even use the coupon for, so it was just $70-80, are these Uggs. They didn't have them in the men's section, they have them in the women's section, but I got the women's size, the men's size, which are these little gold Uggs, which I don't have, besides my sheepers, I don't have another pair of shoes, I think, in this color, except a pair of formal shoes, so I thought this would be good to match my gold bags, including my newest one. And it's got a little height, and it's furry and soft, and it's comfy, and I love it. So yeah, those are my 2 quick StockX purchases. Happy with both of these. Could care less if they're inauthentic, because they're just shoes and they're not like crazy prices compared to regular shoes or breaking the bank. These were $25 and those were like $60. So StockX saving steals. Thank you, StockX. That's all I got. Let's partner, StockX. Okay, all right, that's all I got. Hope you guys like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hit a share with your own access. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.